Yardstyle live.
Made me who I am today. It give me all that experience around music.
So how you get that voice then, for imitate people? Like, you know, the first thing me hear is when you do the Siaga voice there.
Okay, well, honestly,
Mm-hmm.
you have to ask a youth like left side, because left side is a mother can tell
Yeah,
you.
man, the genius.
From
that, man.
high school,
Yeah.
when I was at Arden,
Yeah, my school that, big up
all
Arden,
right,
yeah.
I used to get paid to imitate Siaga. So like people used to walk around and them say, yo, him a go do the voice, you know. I may talk all 20, 30 students, you know. And my little brethren go around, him collect money from everybody. Them time they have, you know, $2, $10, everybody. Him collect money from everybody, you know. Him have like a bag with all the money in there, you know.
The bad
And
man.
everybody crowd around waiting for me to come and perform the Siaga voice, you know. And I just go on and walk up now and everybody just get quiet and hear everybody and say, shh. I'm just walk up now from all around behind the tree or whatever. I'm just walk on to them. I'm gonna wait till everybody quiet and I looking at everybody just paying attention. I'm wait till the place is quiet now, you know. As former Prime Minister and leader of the opposition, I'm not into politics anymore. I'm only into budget. Yo, listen to me.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.